It's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. We're on board our Jeanneau 54 Deck Salon. It's a 2005. We're just going to do a quick deck walk around video. One of the things I wanted to point out was the side power bow thruster. You can hear it working, pushing the bow to port, now to starboard. What a nice feature to have on a boat like this. B&G chart plotter on board. Has a Raymarine one as well. Has big self-tailing winches in the back. All the canvas was replaced only just a few years ago. It has the sugar scoop out the back, so easy swimming, easy on and off for dinghy access. Or if you're in a marina, you can be stern tied and you can climb on and off. Big cockpit here. You can have folding leaves on the table there so you can feed a crowd if you so choose. You have an electric winch on the port side here, so that allows you to pull things in like the main furler as well as the jib furler easily if so choose. You can also do things like lift your dinghy out of the water with it, hoist somebody to the top of the mast easily. So as we go forward on the boat, it's got nice equipment. Harken looks that way all the way around. Nice big Harken Traveler across the main. Solid boom vang, infurling mainsail. Stainless steel rollers to allow the jib to go past the shrouds a little bit easier. Dorado covers to keep them from getting taken off. And as you go forward, you got hatches on all the staterooms. A hatch in the very front. Big windlass up here. Rocknar anchor system. Doesn't get any better than that. What a great looking boat. And again, it's got newer canvas located in downtown Vancouver. We're happy to give a showing by appointment only, 604-708-1980. My name's Philip. I'm the broker on the boat. 31 years in business owning Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. I've been selling boats for a lot longer than that. Spent my whole career in the marine business. And this is one of the beauties that we get to sell for the owners today. Somebody's gonna end up with a great used sailboat here of 54 feet. Thanks again for watching our deck walk around video.